What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, you guys already know, man, it is Sunday night. It is also Resurrection Sunday. So I just want to say major salute to anybody that celebrated our risen Savior on today. And more importantly than that, guys, this is a chance to understand how important it is for your salvation and make sure that your souls are saved, guys. Listen, no matter what you do, at the core of what you do, you need to make sure that the Lord is at the head of your life, okay? I want to make sure I put that on you guys because I'll never get it twisted around here, man. He's always doing the advancing and leading in my life, okay? So make sure you take that to the bank. With that being said, guys, check it out. We got a jam-packed week this particular week. I want to kick it off, guys, with the fact that on Wednesday, okay, so the week will kind of come out the gates. We're coming off a 3-day weekend, okay, but on Wednesday we got the CPI report coming out, okay, and at 8:30 that's going to hit before market open, and you need to be aware that, again, this could be a catalyst that takes us higher, or it could be the start of something else, okay? Be mindful, meaning it means you need to be nimble. That means you need to be ready to pivot if you need to. Don't get stuck in one way. If you're doing a particular play, for example, you may be buying a put, okay, and all of a sudden this news come out and you want to still stay in a put when you see things is going in the opposite direction. You need to cut, pivot, and get on the right side of the trade. That's an example I'm talking about, okay? But check it out. Listen to this, guys. CPI, previously it was 6%. They are expecting it to be 5.2%, okay, meaning it's coming down, okay? This we need to see. Don't front run this, guys. We need to see, and we'll get a chance to see in pre-market how the market actually responds to this news if we actually come out around or at this number, okay? If it's lower than this, guys, you want to prepare for takeoff. If it comes in not at 5.2% and it comes in higher, let's say 5.5%, and inflation still is not coming down enough, okay, then that could be the catalyst that take us back to the downside. Be mindful. Next up, guys, is Tesla, okay? Tesla to open a new mega factory in Shanghai, China. Listen to this, guys. These type of things are oftentimes catalysts for why the stock may go higher. So do me a favor, okay, because I'm going to be loading up and I'll talk more about this momentarily. But check this out. If Tesla and this news is received positively, okay, it's been stuck and buried at around that 185 and below level all last week, okay? Look for a gap up tomorrow, meaning if this news hit positively on the stock, okay? And if so, we may potentially see another move and retest back to that 190 level, okay? We need to get that and through that level to kind of get back higher. But check this out, some key points. Tesla will open a new mega factory in Shanghai, China that is capable of producing 10,000 megapacks a year, the company announced on Sunday. A megapack is a very large battery that stores energy, helps stabilize the power grid, and prevent outages, okay? Again, these are things that Tesla is doing that are hands above the rest of the competition in the EV space, okay? And these are the reasons why the stock has that potential to go higher. However, you always have to look for particular weeks in the market where the stock may take a week off, a few days off, go down 7% one day, 5% the next. That's the volatility that comes with the nature of the beast that is Tesla, okay? And then in a tweet Sunday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that the factory in China will supplement output from the factory in California. These are good things you want to hear if you are a shareholder and a long-term investor in Tesla. Around here, not only are we long-term, but we also make money trading this as well, especially when they are in a position to make positive big moves if this news is received well, which we shall see soon enough in the market on this week, okay guys, now on to two stocks I want you guys to pay attention to this week because they will tell a story on what's to come in the market, okay? The first one is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, sitting at 164.54, okay? This one came out of the dumps last week and made a hell of a rebound to close out last week Thursday to get back on the right side of still moving higher, okay? They have heavy resistance at 168. Do me a favor, guys. Write this down in your notes. Class is in session, okay? I need you to, number one, look for a retest of 168. That means from here, at some point in time throughout the week, we want to go from 164 to 168. Okay, that's a target that I want to see if we can hit in Apple stock, because that will bode well for the market. However, number two, okay, at 168, which is heavy resistance, and we had got rejected already 2 or 3 times from that level in the past, okay, we want to see if we get rejected or if this is the time we break through, okay? Do me that favor. I need you to look, because check this out. If we are able to break through 168, not only will Apple go higher, it'll then go to 173, just a heads up, okay, just so you know where we're going next, okay? But that's going to mean the SPY has also broken through some key resistance levels and should be going higher, okay? So it means good things for other stocks broadly across the market if this is able to continue to push higher and break through resistance. If not, then guys, if this get rejected again, or if something comes out and we don't even get back that high, then everything will more than likely come down as well. So again, it pays to be nimble. It pays to be flexible. Don't hesitate and be ready to pivot if you need to, okay? Check this out, guys. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 184.95 at the time of this recording. I just shared with you guys some major news that's coming out on Tesla, okay? The Shanghai, China mega factory. They are going to be doing some things that may lift this stock higher. They definitely need it, because look, they were down 6% last week, $12, okay? So from 196 to 184, they were down on the week, okay? We need to get back and recapture those levels, but we first got to get through 189, 190 to even begin the conversation. Let's see if this news that I just shared is the catalyst that get us back moving to the upside to erase this 6% down week we had this past week, okay? Or if they shrug it off and it don't mean nothing, then you guys need to know we have the potential to go lower. This week we kind of held up at the around the 180, 182 level. But if we go lower than that, then that opens the door for the 170s. Again, something I want you guys to be mindful of, okay? So listen, we got a jam-packed week. I will be loading up on Tesla on the breakout of 190. If we can get above 190, okay, that will signal to me. And if 190 becomes support, and that will let me know we can start trying to go back to that 197 level, then that opens the door for 200. I'm just not going to say 200 right out the gate, okay? There's always levels you want to obtain first, okay? And so that's what I'll be looking for, and I'll be loading up if that's the case. If I see us get rejected or Tesla's not responding well, guys, I won't hesitate to pivot, as I've been preaching and instructing the same for you all. Don't be in bondage to one direction when you clearly see something is going the opposite direction of what you had anticipated or had planned for yourself, okay? You have to be flexible and nimble in this game. It's one of the hallmarks of success, and I want to make sure that you guys understand that, okay? Get on and be on the right side of the trade. Listen, guys, I'm excited. I hope you had a chance to enjoy these few days off in the market to kind of not only regroup but refocus, but more importantly rejuvenate, so that you guys can come back locked, loaded, and ready to go. We will be in the Discord first thing in the morning, giving out instructions on what to expect based on what we are seeing in pre-market. So do me a favor, if you're not already, please, down in the link below, join us in the Discord, okay? Get in there, get the information you need to take it one day at a time, one play at a time, so you can begin to build your resume of success, okay? With that being said, understand we got a lot of macroeconomic news coming out this week, so we may be in for a very volatile week. Please embrace that, okay? So again, I'll keep reiterating, Monday and Tuesday you may see the market going one direction, but that all may change once the CPI report comes out on Wednesday, and then that rest of the week could go a totally opposite way than these first few days went. Okay, so again, be mindful of that. Listen guys, I will not hold you up. I'm excited. Please make sure you are ready for tomorrow. Get in the Discord if you're not in there already. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stuff using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.